Spines are for pricking. A porcupine's spines grow to a foot long. When the porcupine is scared, the spines stand straight out. If a coyote, lion, or owl makes the mistake of trying to eat the porcupine, they get pricked. Not only that, but some spines break off and stay stuck in the attacker. The echidna is covered in spikes too. If it feels threatened, it curls up into a spiny ball. This tells its predators, mainly dingoes and dogs, not to mess with it. Though they share a spiky defense system, the porcupine and echidna live on different sides of the world and are not related. A porcupine, which lives everywhere but Australia and Antarctica, is part of the rodent family. Native to Australia, an echidna is a rare kind of mammal that lays eggs and is called a monotreme.